All right, people. So today we'll be tearing apart my VS Racing 80mm billet wheel turbo. If you guys did not watch the last video, the turbo did touch down on the inside of the compressor housing. The bearing on the inside of this wore out, and as you can see, it did touch down inside there. There is some junk on the ends of the blades. Trying to get this to focus a little better. There you go. As you can see, there's some junk on the ends of the blades or road on the compressor housing, but none of the fins are bent or broken, so this turbo is savable. If you look from this angle, there's a lot of play, left and right, up and down. But let's get this thing torn apart and see what the damage is on the inside. All right, people, there you have it. This turbo is fully disassembled. There is a bearing left on this set. I see that there's another C-clip on there. It might need to be pressed off. I don't know yet. I don't want to go too crazy. I just wanted to get it apart and see if it was rebuildable. As it looks from the naked eye, it seems that just the bearings inside here just wore out and then it caused a slop and stuff like that. This part was very loose when it was in there. Don't know if that's supposed to be like that. Have seen others that are like that, but very, very, very loose. So I'll get all this stuff basically put in the plastic bag with a little bit of cleaner solvent just so it doesn't rust or anything like that, and get the compressor and the exhaust side cleaned up, get the wheel cleaned up on obviously the exhaust and the compressor side, and basically get this thing put back together next week when the rebuild kit comes in. So with that being said, go down, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week to rebuild this thing, and hopefully after that we'll be out making boost and back at the track. See you guys.